I won't touch it anymore.
Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Tommy Wright.
Right.
Right.
He lived with his mother, Mrs. Wright, and his father, Dr. Wright, and his sister, Sarah Wright. He had 4 shiny quarters left from his birthday.
Left from his birthday.
You gotta kind of
Left?
Oh, I didn't even get that one. From Grandma Wright
Right.
had sent him, besides the $8.12 left to distribute it.
Left.
Now it was time to buy the Wright present
Right.
for each member of the Wright family.
Right again.
Look at Lucas's face.
So one morning, he hopped right out of bed, quietly left home, and went carefully down the street to the big store on the left side of Main Street.
Yay.
That's a long story. The store was decorated with lights and Christmas ornaments. Tommy Wright thought and thought about Christmas presents, and he looked for all the things on sale. Let's see, said Tommy. I know. I'll get Mother Wright some warm gloves. Here's the right one. But where's the left one? Here it is. Here it is. Right under the right one.
Right.
And
Right.
it cost $3.06, so I have $6.06 left to spend.
Good job.
Would Daddy Wright like a truck or maybe a ball? Or a left-handed catcher's mitt? I'll get him a football so we can play catch right in our own backyard. Now that was $5.06, so now I only have $1 left for Santa's present.
They're all where they started.
Is that right? He asked when he gave her his money. The tax will be $105. He said, "Oh no," said Tommy Wright. I forgot about tax, and he started to cry. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Tears streamed right down his face.
No, Lucas thinks he doesn't have something.
Right then, the door burst open, and Santa came in, and he had left the North Pole
Left.
and came right to Tommy Wright's house.
Right to right.
To right.
Right.
And Santa said, "We can't have helpers said like this. Now let's see. I bet I have 5 pennies right here in my left pocket." Santa Claus checked his left pocket and found nothing. "Oh no," said Santa. "I must have put them into my right pocket instead of my left." Oh wait, here they are right in front of me. Tommy Wright left the store and ran home to tell Sarah Wright that he had seen and talked to Santa. He was so happy that he wrapped his presents right away. Put them under the Christmas tree. Put them under the Christmas tree. And Mr. and Mrs. Wright and Sarah Wright were thrilled with their presents, and they had the greatest Christmas ever. Amen.
Awesome, what you got?
Shelby got Sydney's.
What you got there, Lou?
Oh no.
Toilet paper.
A bunch of paper.
What is it, Loki?
Athletic tape. Woohoo! What does that say?
That's the present I was hoping to
What?
Oh, you want to trade with Loki? You want to trade?
Where's the trophy?
Ow!
Do you like your tape?
Oh, this is the present now.
He loves his tape.
Hey, I found a penny in this purse!
Look at Loki. Here's some more tape, Loki.
I got games!
It's a good luck penny.
Wow, it's Loki's tape.
Oh, he's going to be able to tape up everything.
Thank you.
I was hoping to get that present.
Trade with you. I'm sure there's enough tape to share, you guys. Look at the trade.
Look at you say, woo!
It's never been used.
What did you get, Victoria?
Oh, I got this Rockstar purse with a penny in it.
Oh, awesome.
You get a trophy!
What did you get, Debbie?
I got these games.
Mary, here.
We can play those tomorrow.
Trophy.
Oh my God.
Oh, look, Sydney. Sydney is softball, too.
All right. You want another present?
There you go.
Yeah.
Where did you get that? Oh, at the game.
I'll get your present. Here.
I like your tape.
State championship.
That is a lot of tape.
Look at Lucas, he's like, okay, now.
What did you get?
While you keep it sitting in the circle, I'll give you a little present.
Oh, yay! Yay, more presents.
Just when